This is NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So at the start, you will need to launch your device's settings and check for available system and security updates by entering the passwords and security category, and here begin by checking for security update, and if there will be a newer version, make sure to download and install it right away, and do the same for Google Play system update. So check for update, and if there will be a newer software version, install it right away. You can also launch the Google Play Store and look for third-party antivirus applications such as Avast, for example, but if you know any other app or you prefer using any other security or antivirus app, just go for it. It does not necessarily have to be this one. And what you can also do is tap at your profile picture, then go into Play Protect and scan your device for harmful apps. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.